Eggs are nature's perfect food. Simple, nutritious, and delicious. But there's nothing simple about getting fresh eggs from the farm to your table.
My name is Kirk Miller, and I am the Quality Assurance Manager at Star Egg. My day-to-day responsibilities entail keeping the food safety program running efficiently. At Star Egg, we run two different food safety programs. We have our HACCP program, which is a very fundamental government-mandated program. On top of that, we also run a BRC program. HACCP, which stands for Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, is a systematic approach to food safety. And when we talk about HACCP programs, we always talk about critical control points. And at this facility, we have 4 critical control points that help ensure food safety. The first critical control point we have at our facility is the egg wash system, which has to run at a specific pH or alkalinity and has to run at a minimum temperature. These are all mandated by the Canadian Food Inspection Agency. In conjunction with our HACCP program, we have what is known as a BRC program, or British Retail Consortium program. This takes the HACCP program and expands it to a higher level, and the standard has been devised in England and has been transcribed to all the different food products across North America. The British Retail Consortium program was selected because it most easily matches our existing food safety programs. At Star Egg, when we have a demand for finished products, what happens is eggs will come in from an approved supplier or producer. They are scanned into our inventory system electronically. Then they will proceed to our processing line where the eggs are scanned into our electronic system as well. The eggs go through a system of washing and rinsing, which is run at a certain pH and temperature. After that, the eggs go through a grading system wherein we have a leak detector system to remove any leaking eggs. The eggs go through a dirt detector, which removes any eggs that have dirt spots on them. Then further along in the process are optical sorting equipment pieces which remove any eggs that have blood spots in them. After that, the eggs will then be packaged according to size and weight, and they are palletized, and then they are stored in our cooler prior to shipping. So on an annual basis, this facility is audited for our BRC program. So an independent third-party auditor will come into our facility and make sure we're following all the code requirements as detailed in the written program. And you get a rating based on your results that your vendors want to see. On a regular basis, between 12 to 18 times a year, our CFI inspector will also come and audit our facility, make sure we're following the code requirements, and make sure temperature control is maintained, quality is maintained. All the other fundamental program requirements for our BRC program are secondarily reinforced with our inspections. Multiple times a day, we also take product off the line and make sure that it meets expectations for the weights, the proper quantity is in the cartons, make sure there's no excessive cracks or dirty eggs going to the consumer. So that's part of my role at Star Egg.
Learn more about the natural goodness of eggs at saskegg.ca. And get cracking, Saskatchewan!